Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. And if you want to see how I got these curls and them looking pretty, then make sure to keep on watching. But before we move on, make sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos I put out every week. And yeah guys, I love you. Let's jump into the video. Okay, so first off, I want to mention the fact that I cut my hair. It's so much shorter. I think I cut somewhere around like this. But it was very damaged and dry and no volume and it was falling a lot. So I decided to cut my hair in the hopes of it growing healthier. I haven't had my hair this short in I don't remember how long. But I'm pretty happy. I was scared, but it turned out to be fine. So I brushed it and I'm gonna take a tiny amount of oil to just apply on my ends. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some dry shampoo to my roots. And the dry shampoo I'm using is the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo in Brunette. Actually Divine Dark. And the thing is, you can, if your hair is not dirty and you don't need dry shampoo, you can just apply a bit of volumizing spray on your roots, so to give them a little bit of a lift. Okay, so now I'm gonna let it be. Till that is sitting on my roots, I am going to take a bit of the Thermal Image Heat Protection Spray from Wella Professionals, and I am going to part my hair a bit with my fingers. I'm just gonna go on the end mostly, and as I get closer to the roots, I am going to apply less and less, but more on those ends. Now I'm gonna basically blend the dry shampoo into my scalp better so we don't have streaks or stuff like that. Okay, now I'm gonna do my hair by sections, and I'm gonna start down there, and I'm gonna firstly go and part it like this, and I'm gonna just put it on top of my head. I do want to mention that I can't do hair. I like hairstyles, but because I always had straight hair, I didn't need to do much to it, even if I like curly hair very much, but I never found it necessary to spend time on that. But I do like it. I do like curly hair a lot. I can say that I know what I'm doing. It's just I want to show you guys how I do what I do. So because this is the bottom part, I am not going to curl it a lot. I'm gonna leave it be a little bit longer. And I am using the Remington wand, curling wand. I don't know if it has another name. I've had this for years and I actually love it a lot. I think it's really good. Okay, so I am gonna start in the middle of the length of my hair, and I'm just gonna hold it a few seconds and let it be and see how it looks, and then I'm gonna take and finish the ends. Something like this. I'm not gonna worry too much about it just because I will go when I finish and just do more curls where I think it's needed. I like doing the curls away from my face usually. Thank God I don't have that much hair. When it was longer, it was so hard and it was so time consuming. I don't curl my ends till the end. I don't know, I like how that looks. When it's a bit straight, it looks more beach wavy. in a way, if I can call them like that. I don't want perfect curls. I actually like them to be a bit more crazy, and that way they look probably more natural, like I didn't spend time. I am very into messy looking hair, but messy on purpose. I mean, I wish I could rock unpurposeful messy hair, but that just doesn't work for me because of the fact that I have straight hair. It's a messy hair for me, looks in between waves and straight, so it's not a pretty look. So yeah, I mean, it's nothing special, so I'm gonna skip through this and show you the more interesting part. So I'm gonna section it one more time. When I wanna do curls but like I don't have the time, I usually don't section my hair, and that just ends up taking more time. So I've learned my lesson enough times, so now I'm sectioning it. It's way easier and faster. So now this section, I am going to curl them away from my face but also towards my face, so they'll look messier this way and it will give me more volume. And I'm gonna take bigger chunks and then smaller chunks. This way it won't look equal everywhere, which is what I'm going for. Okay. Okay, I don't know if I have something else to tell you now, so I'm just gonna fast forward through this. Okay, so I finally finished with that part, and now I wanna put that all together so it doesn't bother me. So we have this part left, and this is the most important part, obviously, because it's on the top. Brush that, make sure you have no tangles. Now I'm gonna start from behind. I'm gonna start taking smaller portions. You have this little thing right here that you can like basically put your hair there so I can start, but I don't usually use it because it's not something I'm used to and it's not really comfortable. Okay, so here the important part. So basically I take my hair like this and I go close to this one, and then I finish wrapping it around the one, and this way I'm creating volume. Okay, so do you see it stays a bit, has some type of volume. And you can also start from the middle down and then finish the upper part. So just like this, hold it, hold it, hold it. And then go just like so. And go as close to your scalp as you can, but just be careful not to burn your scalp. And yes, that's a very pretty look. I'm sorry I look this good right now, but well, you gotta do what you gotta do. Keep saying that, but it's true. I've had this one for let me count how many years. For 5 years. Oh my god, it's been a long time. But yeah, I've had it on for 5 years. And I don't know how, but recently I kind of broke the plastic it has on top. I'm gonna show you in a second. But I have no idea how. It probably it fell or something like that. So I ruined it here, but it doesn't really affect how the wand works, so I don't really care. And it's so good. I don't think it's gonna be soon when I change it. And make sure whenever you do this volume to your hair, you're going away from your face and head and whatever. So you're going backwards basically. Okay, so one more trick I like to do is I basically go and put all my hair on the wand, so just like this, and then I roll this wand closer to my scalp so I can get as close as possible to create that volume I was talking about. And awesome look! Oh my god, I can't believe I have a few more left. I'm gonna let my hair down and see what is the situation. So I just run my fingers through my hair to separate the curls a bit. Oh, it's a bit crazy up in here. Oh, so this is a bit crazy, so I'm gonna redo it and I'm gonna just go over it. Better. Okay, and I have another one that's not looking great, and then I'm gonna separate this. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm basically gonna look through it, and where I don't like, I'm gonna add more curls. So basically I am going back, and where I find something straight or not looking pretty, I just curl it, and that's about it. That's actually the most important part to me, because now you get to add as many curls as you want and making it more fluffy and voluminous or big or however you want it. Make sure to separate them, that way you get more volume and it looks prettier. Okay guys, now that I'm done, I am basically just going through it and finding pieces are not really curled or straight or don't look good, and I'm just going and curling them and giving them the shape I want. So it's not really an exact science, but I just go how I see it. So that's basically it. I am actually quite happy with it. And what I also like to do is just going back and like taking a bit of hair and creating some volume just like that. Hop. And again. Hop. And just I'm about done, and I'm gonna show you what I like to do, and this I think makes such a big difference. So I think I love this product so much. This is the Bumble and Bumble Texture Hair Undressing Cream. So it looks like this, and it's a cream. It's a texturizing cream basically, mostly, and it brings out the curls even more. If you have naturally curly hair, you can like skip doing your hair with a wand and just apply this, and it helps so much. So basically what I do is I rub it in my palms. I don't put a lot. I'm gonna show you only my hair so you can understand. And basically I take it, hold it here, let it be. And this will bring texture and also hold them in place. And tomorrow, like the next day, if you want to have this curly look but you don't want to go over and redo it, you can just take this thing as well and just add a bit more, and it will form those curls. To add a bit more volume, I am going to go and tease it a little bit, but not too much, because I can't really tease my hair. I don't really know how to, I mean, I know how to, but it never works for me very well. I mean, I need to probably practice more. Okay guys, so this completes my look for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope they helped you, because for me this is the easiest way to get my hair curly. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give me that thumbs up, go subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'm gonna see you in my next one. I love you guys. Bye. So yeah guys, this I have more fun now that we're done. I'll show you tonight. I'm alright. I'm just fine. Oh! So you don't miss out on any